our face. It's unique to us and is at the forefront of our first impressions. It's how people recognize us. No matter what time of year, what style clothes we wear, our face is always on display. And who wouldn't want to put their best face forward? Over time, our skin is exposed to many harmful elements and circumstances, and as we age, it begins to show. In life, aging and the elements are constant, and many of us are realizing our outside appearance doesn't always reflect the youthful spirit we feel on the inside. Now, you can reflect your youth with the Optimera skincare line. Botanically based, the Optimera products uses nature's best to produce high-impact results that help skin appear firm and youthful without harsh ingredients, so you can feel confident that what you're using is good for you and good for your skin. Reflecting your youth has never been easier. Simply use Optimera Night Cream in the evening and Optimera Day Cream in the morning for a full 24-hour experience.
You want to do everything you possibly can to look as good as you can for as long as you can.
The skin seemed to be smoother and firmer.
What I liked best about the product was how easy it was to use.
I could feel it working as soon as I was using it, and there was certainly the results afterwards.
It's definitely working in just a month, which is incredible.
It gives me that more confident look that I never experienced before until now.
I really felt like it made a difference and did something to my skin, and I feel that if I continue using them, I'm going to see a bigger change.
The thing I liked the best about it was just seeing results.
Friends have noticed the difference, and I have noticed the difference.
I love it. That's about all I have to say.
When you look better, you feel better. Approach every day with confidence and put your best face forward. It's possible with Optimera and Nerium International. When you become a preferred customer, you can get the lowest pricing on our breakthrough products and start your own journey of real results. And if you refer 3 friends who purchase Nerium products too, you can get yours for free on an ongoing basis. Looking younger has never been easier using our products at Nerium International. With our 30-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose but discoloration and wrinkles.